back sa aking YouTube channel. Please support me by subscribing in my YouTube channel and also please like and share this video. Okay, for this vlog, my topic is all about solving quadratic inequalities in one variable. I already discussed in my previous blog if what is the definition of quadratic inequalities in one variable. I will just put the description below. Okay, I have here an example. Example number 1, x squared minus 4x is greater than negative 3. So solutions, first is you are going to write the inequality to its corresponding equation. So here, copy lang x squared minus 4x is greater than negative 3. Then, change the inequality sign to equal sign. So, x squared minus 4x is equal to negative 3. The next is write it in standard form. So, x squared minus 4x, the negative 3 we will transpose to the left side. So, from negative, magiging positive siya. So, that's why plus 3 is equal to 0. Then after that, copy x squared minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. You are going to factor the equation. So, first, you are going to find the factors of positive 3. Then, the factors of positive 3, dapat, if i-add mo yung mga number na yon, mo result siya of negative 4. So, the factors is negative 3 and negative 1. Kasi kung i-multiply mo siya, negative 3 times negative 1 is equal to positive 3. Then kapag i-add mo naman siya, negative 3 plus negative 1, it is equal to negative 4. Then we are going to use the zero product property. So x plus 3 is equal to 0. Then x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then x, so pabilin lang x sa left side. Then negative 3 transpose to the right side, magiging positive 3. Then ito naman, x minus 1 is equal to 0. Pabilin lang x sa left side is equal to negative 1 transpose to the right side. So, from negative 1, magiging positive 1. So, meron tayong value ng x. Since meron na tayong value ng x, which are 1 and 3, so we are going to plot na the values in the number line. So, this is the number line. By the way, guys, if ang given inequality sign is greater than or less than, the circle should be hollow in plotting the points. But if the given inequality sign is greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, the circle in plotting the points should not be hollow. So, example here, 1 and 3, the given is greater than, diba? So, the circle in plotting the points is hollow. Ang ibig sabihin niyan, hindi kasali yung 1 at saka yung 3 sa solution. Okay, so dito muna tayo sa left side. Ito, 1 dito sa left side. So, ang pagbasa nito guys ito, x is greater than negative infinity but less than 1. So, x is greater than negative infinity. Greater than negative infinity siya kasi yung numbers kapag nagkataas siya pero negative yung sign niya, yung value niya is magka-low, di ba? Then less than 1 siya kasi, di ba? For example, yung x na negative 4. Of course, less than 1 siya kasi yung 1 positive number. So, next is we are going to let x. So, from 1, so 0 to negative infinity, kayo nang bahalang pumili kung anong number ang i-let x nyo. So, ang pinili ko dito is 0. So, pwede kayong pumili ng negative 2, negative 6. So, kayo na talagang bahala, guys. Ang pinili ko lang is 0. So, let x be equal to 0, then we will substitute 0 sa original na given. So, x squared minus 4x is greater than negative 3. Substitute 0 sa x. So, 0 squared minus 4 times 0 greater than negative 3. So, 0 squared is 0 times 0 is equal to 0. The negative 4 times 0 is 0. So, minus 0 greater than negative 3. 0 minus 0 is 0 greater than negative 3. Of course, that is true. 'Diba? Kasi mas malaki yung 0 kaysa sa negative number, negative 3. Dito naman tayo sa in between 1 and 3. So, dito. So, 4x is greater than 1 but less than positive 3. Bakit siya greater than 1? Kasi dito, di ba, magsimula ang number 1. So, pag ang next number niya is 2, of course, yung 2 is greater than 1. Then, less than 3 siya kasi 3. Then, of course, di ba, ang 2 is less than 3. So, x is greater than 1, less than 3. Then, dito rin naman, kayo na ang bahalang pumili kung ano yung value ng x ninyo. So, basta between lang siya sa 1 at saka sa 3. So, ang pinili ko is 2. Pwede rin kayong pumili ng 1.5 kasi between din naman siya. Pwede rin kayong pumili ng 2.5, 2.3. Basta hindi lang siya lalagpas sa 3. Hindi rin siya lalagpas sa 1. Okay, so ito na, ang pinili ko is 2. So, let x is equal to 2. So, copy lang the original given inequality. X squared minus 4x is greater than negative 3. Then, substitute 2 squared minus 4 times 2 greater than negative 3. 2 squared is 2 times 2, 4. The negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. That's why minus 8 greater than negative 3. So, 4 minus 8 is negative 4 greater than negative 3. This is false. Okay? Because negative 3 is greater than negative 4. It should be negative 4 less than negative 3. So, false siya. Dito naman tayo sa right side. So, from 3 to the right side. So, x is greater than 3 but less than positive infinity. Greater than 3 siya kasi positive number siya. It means, kapag kung papunta ka dito, yung value ng x mo, ibig sabihin, mas malaki siya sa 3. So, that's why x is greater than 3. Then, less than positive infinity siya. Kasi kapag nagkataas yung number, hindi ko, nalilito na ako. Okay. Basta, since positive number siya, so, yung x niya is less than na siya, less than positive infinity. So, right side. So, dito from 3, kayo nang bahalang pumili kung ano yung value ng x ninyo. So, ang pinili ko is 4. So, pwede rin kayo pumili ng 10, 11, 12, 7, 5. So, kayo na talagang bahala. Ang pinili ko is 4. So, x squared minus 4x greater than negative 3. Substitute 4 sa x, 4 squared minus 4 times 4, greater than negative 3. 4 squared is 4 times 4, 16. Then negative 4 times 4 is negative 16. That's why minus 16 greater than negative 3. 16 minus 16 is 0, greater than negative 3. Therefore, it is true because 0 is greater than negative 3. So, true siya. Okay, let's try naman the x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3. So, itatry natin yung nakuha nating value sa x if magto-true ba siya or magfo-false. Para makita natin kung included ba ang 1 at saka yung 3 sa solution. So, x is equal to 1. So, the original inequality, x squared minus 4x greater than negative 3. So, substitute 1 sa x, 1 squared, then minus 4 times 1 greater than negative 3. 1 squared, 1 times 1 is 1. The negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. That's why minus 4 greater than negative 3. 1 minus 4 is negative 3. Yan. Greater than negative 3. It is false. Diba? Negative 3 greater than negative 3. False. It should be equal. Negative 3 is equal to negative 3. So, false siya. The next naman, x is equal to 3. So, ito ang original na inequality. Then, transpose 3 squared minus 4 times 3 is greater than negative 3. So, 3 squared is 9. Then, 4 times 3 is negative 12. So, minus 12 greater than negative 3. 9 minus 12 is negative 3 greater than negative 3. So, this is false also, right? Because it should be equal. So, hindi kasali yung 1 at saka 3 sa solution. So, the solution set of, tingnan nyo yung white ha. The solution set of the inequality is x, the solution set of x is x less than 1, di ba? Ito 1. less than 1 siya, or x is greater than 3. Okay? So, another example, x squared plus 5x plus 6 is greater than or equal to 0. So, first is we are going to write the inequality to its corresponding equation. So, x squared plus 5x plus 6 is greater than or equal to 0. We will change lang the inequality sign to equal sign. So, x squared plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Then, find the factor. So, the factors are positive 3 and positive 2, diba? Kasi positive 3 times positive 2 is equal to positive 6. Then, if we add natin, positive 3 plus positive 2 is equal to positive 5. Then, by using zero product property, x plus 3 is equal to 0, yan. Then, x plus 2 is equal to 0, yan. So, x, remain lang x sa left side, then transpose positive 3 to the right side, from positive magiging negative 3. Then, ito naman, remain x sa left side, then positive 2 transpose to the right side, magiging negative 2. So, therefore, the value of x are negative 3 and negative 2. Next is, we will plot the value in the number line. So, negative 3 and negative 2. So, yan. Diba, since the given is greater than or equal to, the circle and plotting the points is not hollow. So, dapat nakadark siya lahat. Walang hole sa gitna. So, dito tayo sa left side. Muna tayo, negative 3 dito sa left side. So, x, ang pagbasa nito ha, x is greater than or equal to negative infinity, but less than or equal to 3. Why? Kasi, sabi ko kanina, pag ang number is magkataas, pero yung sign niya is negative, the value is magkababa, di ba? Then, less than or equal to negative 3 siya, kasi, mas malaki yung negative 3 kaysa sa negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, negative 9, negative 10, so on and so forth. Then, next is, we are going to magle-let x tayo. So, from negative 3, kayo nang bahala kung ano yung number na ilalagay nyo, ile-let x nyo. So, ang pinili ko is negative 4. Pwede kayong pumili negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, kayo nang bahala. So, next is, substitute lang the value of x, which is negative 4, sa original na equation, the original inequality. So, x squared plus 5x plus 6, ito yung original inequality, is greater than or equal to 0. Then, substitute negative 4 squared plus 5 times negative 4 plus 6 is greater than or equal to 0. Negative 4 squared is negative 4 times negative 4 is equal to positive 16. Then, positive 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. That's why minus 20 plus 6 is greater than or equal to 0. 16 minus 20 is 4, di ba? Negative 4 plus 6 is plus 6 is positive 2. So, 2 is greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, it is true. Then, ito tayo sa in between negative 3 and negative 2. Diyan. So, for x is greater than or equal to negative 3 but less than negative 2. So, dito tayo sa gitna ng negative 3 and negative 2. So, pwede kayong pumili ng negative 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, basta di lang siya lalagpas sa 3. Okay, so ang pinili ko is negative 2.5. Then, original na inequality, given inequality, then substitute x, substitute negative 2.5 sa x, so negative 2.5 squared, plus 5 times negative 2.5, then plus 6 is greater than or equal to 0. Negative 2.5 squared is positive 6.25. Then, positive 5 times negative 2.5 is negative 12.5. That's why minus plus 6 greater than or equal to 0. Then, 6.25 minus 12.5 plus 6 is equal to negative 0.25 is greater than or equal to 0, which is false. Diba? The next naman, dito naman tayo sa right side, x is greater than or equal to negative 2 but less than or equal to positive infinity. So, right side, dito siya, negative 2, right side. So, let x, kayo nang bahala kung ano yung value ng x ninyo. Pinili ko is negative 1. Let x equal to negative 1. Then, substitute negative 1 sa x sa given na quadratic inequality. So, negative 1 squared plus 5 times negative 1 plus 6 is greater than or equal to 0. Negative 1 squared is negative 1 times negative 1 is equal to positive 1. Then, positive 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. Then, plus 6 is greater than or equal to 0. 1 minus 5 is negative 4. Plus 6 is positive 2. So, greater than or equal to 0, which is true. Next is we are going to test x is equal to negative 3 and x is equal to negative 2 if it satisfy the inequality. Diba yung nakuha nating values negative 3 and negative 2. So, i-check natin if yung negative 3 and negative 2 part ba sa solution. So, x equal to negative 3, substitute lang negative 3 sa x sa original na quadratic inequality. So, negative 3 squared plus 5 times negative 3 plus 6 is greater than or equal to 0. So, negative 3 squared is 9. Positive 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. That's why yun, minus 15. Plus 6 is greater than or equal to 0. So, 9 minus 15 is negative 6 plus 6 is 0. 0 is greater than or equal to 0. So, that is true. True siya, diba? Kasi ang nakalagay dito na inequality sign, greater than or equal to. So, pasok siya sa equal to. So, that is true. Then, x is equal to negative 2. Then, substitute lang negative 2 sa x. So, negative 2 squared plus 5 times negative 2 plus 6 is greater than or equal to 0. So, negative 2 squared is negative 2 times negative 2, which is positive 4. Then, positive 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. That's why minus 10. Plus 6 is greater than or equal to 0. So, 4 minus 10 is negative 6. Plus 6 is 0. So, 0 is greater than or equal to 0. Pasok siya sa equal to. So, this is true. So, therefore, included ang negative 3 and negative 2 sa solution set. Therefore, the solution set of the inequality is x is less than or equal to negative 3. Itong white ang tingnan nyo. Or x is greater than or equal to negative 2. Hindi kasali yung nasa middle. So, x is greater than negative 3, ito. So, kasali yung 3, papunta sa negative infinity. Then, ito naman, x is greater than or equal to negative 2. So, kasali yung negative 2, papunta sa positive infinity. So, if you have questions, just comment down below. Kasi, alam ko, mahirap talagang isolve ang quadratic inequality in one variable and also quadratic inequality in two variables. Mahirap siyang talagang intindihin. So, if you have questions, don't hesitate to comment down below. And I hope you learned something from this video. So, bye!